What's up guys, it's Jake from MotorUnion, and today we're doing a oil change on this 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo. And he's been here getting a custom exhaust built, so I'm also going to be throwing the back bumper on too. We already drained the sump back here, so we're going to go ahead and drain the actual oil from the motor right now. I'm just cleaning off all the buildup from overtime, just to make sure nothing's leaking on the ground when the guy gets it back. So now we're just gonna be changing the oil filter on these Lambos. They make it in an interesting spot. It's way deep under here. So just loosen it, crack it loose before you start draining the oil, so then all the oil in the actual oil filter housing can drain down and it doesn't overflow out into there. Just gonna pull the old filter out. After that, just change the gaskets on the housing. Don't want any leaks, especially on these type of cars, and just swap the new one on. Then just go ahead and you want to make sure this side's down. There's a little hole in there for this to sit in. Use this tool to finish tightening it all the way. Now we're gonna start with 6 quarts of oil, turn it on, make sure it gets oil pressure, then come back here and add the extra 4 quarts of oil, and then check the level, and then add if you need to, or take some out if you need to. Good. Got done with the oil change, checking the level, all that stuff. Now we're going to put it back up in the air so I could take the back wheels off, make it a little bit easier to put the back bumper on. We had the bumper off because we did this custom catback exhaust on it. And now we're just getting everything back together so we can give it back to him. Right there for now. So we got the back bumper on, and now we're just finishing up with putting the wheels back on, getting everything buttoned up, and then should be good to go.